A significant challenge that modern day leaders have is helping to keep their employees resilient and remain resilient during times of constant change and uncertainty. Now, quite often we hear the cliche, well, just be more positive, be adaptable, hang in there, that'll get you through. But as most of us have probably experienced, that actually doesn't work very well. What does work is communication, constant communication. And the reason why this works is that a major source of breakdown in a person's resilience comes as a result of stress, the stress of the unknown. Put yourself in the mind of an employee, just a general employee within an organization. They see constant change going on around them all the time, but they're at a level in the organization that they don't pull the strings. They don't know all the information. They don't know all the details. So they're blind to it. They don't see it. And when that happens, when you don't know information, quite often rumors, gossip, and misinformation takes its place because something has got to fill the void. And gossip and rumors and misinformation, what does that do? Causes stress. And what does stress do? It wears down our ability to handle stress, our resilience. And so a strategy that every leader can do that will make a profound difference in helping keep their employees more resilient during times of change is simply to communicate more often. But the reality is that reminding yourself all the time to communicate can kind of wane. You can start off strong at the beginning, like any habit change, any type of new behavior that you want to apply, but it can wane because you get projects that come up, you get more pressing things that come up, time just disappears. So a tactic that is highly effective is to put into your Outlook calendar a reminder to send a communique every Monday or Tuesday morning. Let's say it's 8 a.m., first thing in your employee's day. That just gives them a little bit of an update of some of the changes that are going on that you are able to share with them. And that small little act is a high leverage act that can have profound impact in assuaging people's uncertainty, filling in that fog of information with useful information and helping them be a little bit more resilient. And when they're a little bit more resilient, their ability to work well, be productive, and feel like they're contributing within an organization and they're appreciated dramatically increases. Good luck.